Hey guys, Carly from Finding Keto Joy here, and today we are going to be looking at what I eat an entire day following a ketogenic lifestyle. So high fats, moderate protein, and low carb. So here we go. Okay, so it's mid-morning and I am not hungry for like a really big meal. So what I am gonna do is have coffee, and normally I would make a bulletproof coffee, but I don't really feel like doing that. So what I'm gonna do is actually use my keto cream instead, which I keep it in this like really cute little container. It's adorable. The keto cream is basically has all the ingredients that I would normally put in a bulletproof coffee, except I don't have to actually make it and go through the work of blending it and all of that. So this is 130 calories. I'm going to use a whole packet because again, I'm not going to actually have any other food. I'm just not hungry. We had dinner last night and I'm good for where I am right now. So I'll be putting this in with my coffee. And what I'm gonna do is put my coffee in my shaker cup, put that in, mix up, and pour it into my cup. So you have to shake it really good, but I always have to be careful when opening it because it's hot. So it will kind of like try to spritz everywhere, and then we're gonna pour it into here. Okay, so that is my keto cream with my coffee. And this is basically meal one of the day. So I'll have my coffee with my keto cream, and then I'll see you guys back again when it's time for lunch. So it's already mid-morning, so lunchtime probably won't be happening for a while. And also all the kids are home from school, so that'll kind of probably delay my day in general. So talk to you then. Okay, so for lunch, it's again, kids are home, so it's kind of crazy. So we did breakfast for lunch. So I have some keto pancakes with butter, bacon, and I am going to put a little bit of this pancake syrup on top. It's 0 calories, so it's totally keto friendly. And again, like I said in one of my other videos about favorite sauces and dressings and things like that, I'm sure all of the ingredients in a 0 calorie pancake syrup are not the best, but a tiny little bit I'm personally fine with. And it tastes yummy, and I'm excited. So I'm gonna put all of that in, and at the end of the day, we'll see where my macros line out. Hey guys, okay, so it's about 3 o'clock, and what I do now is instead of snacking between the lunch I had and the dinner I'm gonna have, I use exogenous ketones, and I use them for all sorts of reasons, but one of them is that it does help me kind of curb my appetite and also just avoid from snacking, because I don't need to snack, but sometimes obviously we have a habit of snacking, right? So what I'm gonna do is I use a chocolate one, and I'll show you. I'm gonna make myself an iced mocha latte with it, and that will be what I have between the lunch I just had and the dinner that you're about to see. Okay, so I also keep my ketones in this little cute jar. As you can see, I'm kind of like obsessed. So I get my shaker bottle full of ice. I use whatever leftover coffee I had from the morning time. And then I just put a scoop. I have mine as a free powder kind, a free form powder. This one isn't individually wrapped. And put the powder in. It's chocolate flavored. It's really good. I probably put maybe like 2 tablespoons of buttermilk cream in. Put a little dash, and then I do fill up the rest of it with water, and I mix it together, and I have a awesome iced mocha latte. Okay, so mix it up, and this will be what I have. I will drink the whole thing, and then I will see you guys at dinner. So for dinner, I am roasting some chicken drumsticks that I just had in the refrigerator, ready to be cooked. And then right now I'm getting ready to roast veggies. I just really honestly took all the vegetables I had and cut them up. And today's a Monday, so we'll probably use them whatever is left over, chicken and veggie wise, to kind of use leftovers for throughout the week for me and the kids and my husband. Okay, so I've seasoned them with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, some parsley and oregano, and mixed it all together, and then threw it into this tray, spread it out, and now we're gonna pop it into the oven. It's probably gonna roast for about 40 minutes or so alongside the chicken. Okay guys, dinner. So I did roasted chicken with roasted veggies, and I also made a bacon cheddar biscuit. That the video for that recipe is actually already up on YouTube on my channel, so you can go check it out. It looks delicious. I tracked everything in my Carb Manager app today, so I'll post a picture of my macros, but I'm pretty sure that I nailed it. Feeling great. I'm gonna have this. I'll put up those macros for you. And I just want to remind you that eating low carb, keto friendly does not have to be so scary or hard. You can totally do it. It's simple. And if you've got any great meal ideas, I'd love to have you pop them down in the comments. So like this video if it was helpful for you. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click that bell so that you get notified of new keto recipes, keto tips, and also just day in the life of eating keto. What does that look like? So thanks so much for watching.